we have to find the truth table for the following logic circuit. The A signal goes through NOT, so we get A naught, and the B signal goes through NOT, so we get B naught. Both A naught and B naught signals are going through the NOR gate. The NOR gate is not OR, so the signal should be like C plus D, like the OR gate, NOT. So over here we have A naught and B naught signals going through the NOR gate, so we have A naught plus B naught, NOT. Now, the De Morgan's rule can be used to convert NOR to AND. So, C or D naught can be written as C naught and D naught. So over here we'll apply the same rule, and A naught naught is A, B naught naught is B. So we simply have A dot B. So we just have to make the truth table for A dot B. The output signal is 0, 0, 0, 1. So the correct answer is option 3.